Before hooks came around, React used class components, and lifecycle methods were a big deal. Let's understand how lifecycle methods work step by step. In a class component, we manage the lifecycle with special methods. Constructor runs first when the component is created. ComponentDidMount runs once after the component is added to the DOM. ComponentDidUpdate runs after the component updates. componentWillUnmount runs just before the component is removed. Let's see them in action. Inside your sr/components folder, create a new file, class_lifecycle_demo.js. Import React from React. Class lifecycle_demo extends React.component. Constructor props. Super props. This to 8, 0. Console.log. Constructor component is being created. ComponentDidMount. Console.log. ComponentDidMount. Component has been mounted. ComponentDidUpdate. Prev props. Prev state. If prevState.count, this.state.count. Console.log. ComponentDidUpdate. Count updated to. This state.count. ComponentWillUnmount. Console.log. ComponentWillUnmount. Component is about to be removed. Increments. This.setState. Count. This.state.count plus 1. Render. Return div class lifecycle demo. Count. This.state count. Button on click. Increment button div. Export default class lifecycle demo. Now open app.js and update it like this. JSX import React, use state from React. Import class lifecycle demo from /components class lifecycle demo. Function app, const visible set visible equals use state true. Return div class name app. Button on click, set visible, visible. Visible hide component, show component. Visible in class lifecycle demo. Export default app. Now head over to your browser at localhost 3000. Click Increment and check your browser's console. You'll see componentDidUpdate log every time you update the state. Click Hide Component and you'll see the componentWillUnmount message. This shows how React tracks your component's journey from creation, updates, and finally removal. Lifecycle methods help us fetch data when the component is ready, respond to prop or state changes, clean up resources like timers or event listeners. But today, we mostly use functional components with hooks. It's cleaner and easier.